In today's video, I'll be showing you the full workflow of finding thousands of high quality, low competition keywords, writing those keywords, and then posting them on your website or blog. Let's go ahead and get started. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy over all the information from my website. I'm going to paste it into ChatGPT and give it this prompt, which is telling it to give us seed keywords, which are broad match keywords for our niche. So here we can see we have a couple of seed keywords here. This is a mortgage company, so mortgage types Canada, private mortgages, B lender mortgages, bad credit mortgages, investment property mortgage, first time home buyer Canada, so on and so forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy over one of these keywords, which is about private mortgages. I'm going to then head over to WordRocket. Now, before I used to do my keyword research in tools like Ahrefs or other keyword research tools, but now we have a feature within WordRocket that you can do your full keyword research right in WordRocket without leaving. This saves you so much time and also saves you money, so you don't have to pay another tool to do keyword research. And it's very, very simple to use. All we do is enter in our seed keyword, our location, language, and then we go ahead and click search. Now, each search is going to give you about 250 to 300 keywords. It's just going to vary dependent on how popular that keyword is. If it's a popular keyword, you'll get more keywords. If not, you'll get a little bit less. So as we can see, we got 273 keywords for private mortgage. Now we can see that each keyword is going to have a volume, a keyword difficulty, a cost per click, a relevancy score, intent, source, and then you also have the ability to add AI enrichment, which will generate 5 to 7 GEO optimized questions, and then also a blog post title, and you can generate right from your keyword research tool. So let's go ahead and we're gonna first filter by relevance, because I want to have things that are going to be most relevant to our keyword. So as we can see here, we have some pretty good and relevant keywords that we can go after. IRS rules for private mortgage rates, private mortgage lenders near me. Can I give a private mortgage, top private mortgage lenders? A lot of it is going to be related to rates. I could also go ahead and click long tail only. So if I do so, we're going to get keywords that are at least 4 words, so more longer tail words that we can go after. So top private mortgage lenders is a keyword. Private mortgage loans for families, again, another keyword that we can go after. As I mentioned, you can click AI Enrich on any one of these specific keywords, and in a couple of seconds, we'll have a GEO optimized search question. So these are questions that we can use within our article. But we also have a blog post title. So the blog post title will be relevant to the actual keyword. Now, what I can do is I can go ahead and click generate, then click standard article. And as you can see, it's gonna pre-fill my topic, my web search, my target keyword, and my additional context with the information that we just generated or pulled from the keyword research tool. So as you can see, everything is set up. I'm just gonna go ahead and change or turn off brand voice. But as you can see, everything else is already set up. So all we have to do is literally go ahead and just click generate. And that's how simple it is for you to research and generate your content using WordRocket. Let's go ahead and do another search of another keyword. So I'm gonna do first time home buyer, and this time we're gonna make it specific for Canada. So I'm gonna change the location to Canada. And now we're gonna go ahead and click search. So now we get 192 keywords, because again, first time home buyer in Canada usually is going to have a little bit less keywords than United States. I'm going to filter by relevance, and as you can see here, these are pretty good keywords. So first time home buyer, Ontario down payment, RRSP withdrawal, HST rebate, incentive government of Canada eligibility, so on and so forth. So really, really good keywords here that we're getting back. And if I didn't mention it, you can select all your keywords and export it to a CSV. Open that file pretty easily, and all your keywords is going to be exported. So again, I'm going to filter by long tail only. And for first time home payment buyers, Ontario down payment, I'm going to AI enrich this article. Or sorry, this keyword. Then we're going to click generate. And now it's literally just one click and we can generate our content, and our content will be generated in the My Content section. If we head over back to keywords and we head over to library, all of your keyword research is going to be saved. So you can always go back and take a look at your keywords. If you click load, it's going to pop up how it loaded when you first initially did your research. So as you can see, very, very user-friendly, very, very easy to use. And we've updated this and improved this so you get more relevant data according to the keyword research that you do. If I head over to the My Content section and head over to articles, we can see that our articles are being generated. Now the local private mortgage lenders, your complete guide to alternative home financing is complete. Now the cover image, if you see the cover image like this, it doesn't mean it's broken. It's still generating because we literally just generated this. So while we're taking a look at this actual article, this cover image will pop in. Right, so as you can see, the cover image is now been loaded in. So we get our quick answer because this is GEO optimized. We get our key takeaways, and then we get our questions. So what is a private mortgage lender and how does it work? And we get our internal links here. As you can see, the second image just popped in. What credit score do I need? How do I find reputable private mortgage lenders near me? What credit score do I need? What type of properties can I finance? How do private mortgage works compared to conventional bank rates? How it's changing, and FAQ. And we get our references, our meta title, description, and our meta tags. So this is a solid article. It's updated, as you can see, as of March 24, 2026. And we can see that this is up-to-date information because it's grabbing information from the web and it's searching up private mortgages in 2026. So our information is up-to-date, it's live, it's fresh, it's unique, and we have really awesome images included with internal linking, with insight, with in-text references as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the second article here. Should be completed now. Images might still take some time to complete, but first-time home buyer in Ontario, your complete down payment guide. So quick answer is the first thing that we get because we're optimized for GEO. Then we get our key takeaways, and then again we get the questions that we generated in the AI enrich. Can a first-time home buyer in Ontario buy with a low down payment? What government programs helps? What are the biggest down payment mistakes? FAQs, again references. And if we give it a second here, I'm sure our cover image is going to come through. So once your content is completed, you can simply go ahead and click publish to WordPress. So I can publish this as a blog. I can publish immediately, and I'm going to publish this post onto our website here. So give it a couple of seconds and we can actually go ahead and view this post on our site. So I went ahead and clicked the link here, as we can see, and that article has been posted on published on our WordPress site. And if you go back to the second article, again, we can see the images have been generated and inserted throughout the article. So that is how you find thousands of keywords using WordRocket, and then you can generate your content based upon those keywords and based upon GEO questions, and create an SEO optimized article that is world class with in-depth research, and then post it directly to your WordPress or your Ghost site. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. If you'd like to check out this feature for yourself, head over to app.wordrocket.ai. Take care.